Hello and welcome you all to today's online classes. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the writing skills based on prescribed writing section by CBSE. Before going to discuss about the writing skills, I would like to tell you a formula related to the writing skills. The process of writing depends on CODER. It means in your writing work, it is advisable to follow the process outlined below. We call coder CODER. Collect your ideas, organize your ideas, make your first draft, edit your work, revise your work. Okay, dear students, first we are going to discuss what is a letter. Letter means a written or printed communication directed to a person or organization. Dear students, there are two types of letters, formal and informal, available in your syllabus. Formal letters are mostly official letters. However, in modern format taken from CBSE, both two formats are same. One can using existing CBSE style format also. Let us see the CBSE format of the letter. In this format, you are watching sender's address is written in 3 lines. After that, leave a line, then write date. After writing a date, leave a line, then write receiver's address in 3 lines. After that, you can write subject and then salutations sir or ma'am, body of the language, at last complimentary clause. Dear students, here I am going to tell you some main points related to the letter writing. Before writing a letter, the following points are very important for you. Examine the tone of the letters to which you are going to respond. Identify your audience and purpose in order to determine the type of letter you will write, formal or informal. Analyze your readers. Who is your reader? Will my reader be favorable or unfavorable? Disposed to what I am going to say. What impressions do I want my letter to make on reader? Okay, dear students, before starting a letter writings, we are just going to discuss about some letter mechanics about the pronoun. The use of personal pronoun is important in letters as I, he, she, it, we, they, you. In a letter, don't refer to yourself in the third person by using the writer. It is perfectly natural and appropriate to refer to yourself as I and to the reader as you. Dear students, further we are going to discuss again about focus and specialty of the letter. Be focused. Write concise and purposeful letter. Don't write confused or overlong letters. Don't be rude. Don't try to impress with your writings. For example, please, very thank you. It is. Now we are going to discuss about the formal letters. Formal letters are letters to people whom we don't know a personal level. To find out informative, to apply for a job, to make a complaint. Formal letters. Formal letters are letters to people whom we don't know on personal level. To find out informative, to apply for a job, to make a complaint. Dear students, you know CBSE followed the semi-block or full block styles. You need to follow the full block styles because CBSE considered mostly the block format. First, I would like to tell you about the semi-formal letters. There are another types of letters, semi-formal letters. We write semi-formal letters to people that we don't know very well. Compare some expression of informal and semi-formal letters. Informal, I am sorry, but I can't come on Friday night. In semi-formal, I'm afraid I want to be able to come on Friday in the evening. Informal, I didn't like the food. Semi-formal, I was dissatisfied with the food. Dear student, Here are being given the some formats of letters. Semi-block style, modified block style, full block style. There are giving the other hanging intended formats, but we are just going to discuss about these three formats. So you must follow the full block style, because in CBSE schools we people are mostly advised to follow the block format. With this given examples, you must try to understand the format semi-block and full block format. So I would like to advise you to follow the only block format while you are just going to write the answer of any question in your class. Dear students, here we will discuss how to decide a formal letter needs to be. How you write the letters will depend on your relationship with the recipient. You are writing to anyone with whom you hope to have a professional relationship. The letters should be formal. If you are writing someone you know very well, the letters should probably be informal. Decide whether you will send a handwritten letter or type. The way you select to send your letter also indicates a degree of formality. Most formal letters should be typed and sent through the post. For informal letters, an email or handwritten letter is acceptable. Start with salutation. The salutation you use will depend on your relationship with the recipient of the letters as well as formality of the letter. Okay, students, start. If you are writing a personal letter, start by asking after the recipient well-being. This can be I hope you are well or how is it going. If you are writing a business or other formal letters, get straight to the point. Proofread your letters. Before you send the letters, read over it a few times to make sure it conveys what you wanted to say and that is free of spelling or grammatical errors. At last, how should you use a complementary clause? A complementary clause ends your letters on a good note. Make two heart returns after the last paragraph of the letter. Then write the complimentary clause. Sincerely yours, kindest regards, best wishes. All these points may be used at the complimentary. Dear students, two main categories of letters: personal letters and business letters. Personal letter, a type of letter that usually concern personal matters rather than professional concern and is sent for one individual to another. Business letters, a letter written in formal language usually used when writing from one business organization to another. Here is being given a picture. It is a kind of letter that we write to our parents, close relatives, close friends. What is a business letter? A business letter is a written formal language writing from one business organization to another. Purpose of writing business: serve a reference for the future, provide the information regarding business activities. Business letters in the form circular letters. Many people can read message with one time. Student, there are some types of the business letters. Type: inquiry letter, letter of thanking, letter of complaint, response to the letter of complaint, response to a letter of request, letter of request. All these points are very important for writing a letter. You know how to write a business letter. The points: first, printed letterhead contains name of the organization, address with telephone, text number and email address, company's logo, references, date, day, month, year. In the opening, consists of name of the person, address, his or her designation, the address, the street number and name, city, state, pin code, The salutation, the subject. It's the new format. Body contains the message. Follow the 6 C's. Be clear, concise, consistent, complete, courteous, correct. While you are just going to close the business letter, complimentary close. If your salutation is by name, close it with your sincerely. If it is dear or sir or dear ma'am, close it with your faithfully. So, dear students, it was a simple explanation about a letter writing, and on the base of these points you may be able to understand how to write a letter. Further, we are just providing to you some important questions related to the formal or informal letters. If you have any confusion or any doubt, you can send your problem in my comment box. Thanks. Have a nice day.